Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best indoor plants for kids' study rooms that boost focus. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with ZZ plant. Are you looking for an indoor plant that boosts focus and requires minimal maintenance? If so, pay attention to the ZZ plant, also known as Zamioculcas zamiifolia. It has a reputation for thriving in low light conditions. This makes it the perfect plant for study areas with limited ambient light. Furthermore, if you lack sufficient time to care for your plant or the knowledge to care for your plants properly, the ZZ plant requires minimal attention as its stem can hold and reserve water for an extended period. Peace lily. Apart from helping one focus, the peace lily is one of the most beautiful indoor plants. It also possesses air-purifying qualities, making it ideal for your kid's room. A NASA report shows that this plant eliminates various volatile particles from the air. Also known as spathiphyllum, it also helps improve one's memory, making it an excellent asset for students. For it to bloom, keep this plant in medium to bright conditions. Its dark green leaves and white blooms make it an attractive indoor plant. Snake plant. The snake plant is known for removing toxic substances such as benzene and xylene from the air. It boosts focus by purifying the air around you while you study. Unlike most plants, snake plants release oxygen during the night by using crassulation acid metabolism. This plant is also resilient to dry soil and low light areas. The snake plant has been shown to improve one's self-esteem. Golden pothos. Golden pothos can adapt to various environments and possess air-purifying qualities. They are attractive plants with heart-shaped leaves, which are green with yellow spots. Its trailing nature allows it to drop down from the basket where its roots are or wind up around any obstacle. Which is the best? The ZZ plant is the best indoor plant for boosting focus in your kid's study room. Its resilient nature makes it thrive in harsh conditions, such as low light, or when your kid forgets to water them. It has glossy leaves that make it eye-catching for any study room. Thanks for watching.